Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you are using Calendly to let prospects book meetings with you, you already know how useful it is for removing the back and forth scheduling. But if you are then having to manually log every booking into Pipedrive as an activity, that's a workflow problem that this video is going to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to connect Calendly to Pipedrive so that every booking automatically creates an activity, updates your contacts, and keeps your pipeline accurate without any manual work. But before we dive in, here's a special gift. Head down to the description of this video, click that first link. Pipedrive normally gives you just a 14-day trial with limited features, but my link, you get a full 30 days with every feature unlocked. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, that discount is applied automatically when you sign up through my link, which means you get the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what others are paying. And on top of that, you get exclusive access to my complete Pipedrive course that walks you through every single feature in detail. This really is one of the best deals you'll ever find, so make sure to check out that first link. And once you've grabbed the link and your account is set up, head into Pipedrive into your account and follow along with me. The integration between Calendly and Pipedrive is handled through a third-party app called Calendly Events for Pipedrive built by Algebra. It has over 900 installs and is the most widely used Calendly connector in the Pipedrive marketplace. To find it, click the three dots icon at the bottom of the left navigation bar to expand the full menu and click Marketplace. Once the marketplace opens, click into the search bar, type Calendly, and then select the green search button. Then click the green search button. From the results, click on Calendly Events for Pipedrive, which is usually listed as being by Algebra, and it has the Calendly style blue circular logo. A dialog box will open showing the app listing with 4 tabs. Before you authorize anything, click the Setup and Installation tab to understand what the process involves. The instructions confirm that the setup requires installing the app from the marketplace, granting Pipedrive OAuth authorization, signing into the Algebra platform using your Pipedrive email, and then connecting your Calendly account using a personal access token. Once you're familiar with the steps, close that tab and click the green Authorize button at the bottom of the dialog. Now, this launches a 2-step Pipedrive OAuth authorization flow. Step 1 is user selection, which shows your company name and a user dropdown set to only me by default. This means the integration will be installed for your individual Pipedrive account. If you are a team admin and you want to roll it out to your whole team, you can adjust this in the Marketplace app's settings after installation. Click Next to move to Step 2. Now, Step 2 is app permissions, which lists every permission Calendly Events for Pipedrive will have on your account. These include access to basic information like user settings and currencies, full access to deals to create, read, update, and delete deals, participants, notes, files, and filters, full access to activities, full access to contacts, including persons, organizations, notes, files, and contact-related fields, read access to user data, search access across deals and contacts, and full access to leads. Now, it's a lot, but it's worth reading through these before proceeding. Full access means the app can write data directly to your Pipedrive, which is exactly what allows it to auto-create activities and contacts when bookings come in. Once you're satisfied, click the green Allow and Install button. Pipedrive will immediately authorize the connection and redirect you to the Algebra platform, which is the middleware that powers this integration. The page shows a sign into Algebra screen with an important note highlighted in green that reads, "Only use the email which you log into Pipedrive in the options below, even if you don't have an account already." This is critical. Algebra uses your Pipedrive email to create and link your account automatically so that you don't need to sign up separately. You have 2 options, sign in with email or sign in with Google. If you click sign in with email, a small form will appear with a single email field and a next button. Enter the same email address you used to log into Pipedrive and click next. Algebra will either recognize your email and log you straight in or send a verification link to that address if it is your first time using the platform. If you prefer, click sign in with Google instead, just to make sure to select the Google account though that is linked to the same email you use for Pipedrive. Once you're signed into the Algebra platform, automatically detects the Pipedrive connection and activates it on that side. The final step is connecting your Calendly account inside the Algebra dashboard. Navigate to the Calendly integration settings and look for the field asking for your Calendly personal access token. To get this token, open a new browser tab, go to calendly.com, log into your account, click your profile icon there in the top right, go to Integrations and Apps, and then click API and Webhooks. On that page, click Generate New Token. Give it a name like Pipedrive Integration and copy the token that appears. paste it into the personal access token field inside of Algebra, and save. From that point forward, every time someone books a meeting through your Calendly link, the event will automatically flow into Pipedrive as an activity on the matching contact. You can also configure field mappings inside of Algebra to create or update deals, log notes, and trigger automations based on each new booking. Makes the entire process completely hands-free from the moment someone picks a time slot. And that's everything you need to connect Calendly to Pipedrive. Once this integration is running, you'll never have to manually log a Calendly booking again. Everything lands in Pipedrive automatically where it should be. Before you go, make sure that you don't miss out that special gift. Head down to the description, click the first link to get your 30-day trial with all features unlocked. Remember, you also get my full Pipedrive course for free, which covers every single feature in detail. It's only available through that specific link, so make sure that you check it out before you close this video. And if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming Pipedrive tutorials. And if you ran into any issues during this setup or have questions about configuring the field mappings in Algebra, drop us a comment below and I will help you sort it all out. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.